Incredible footage taken from a drone captured a young boy in great danger. One of the best places to find people kicking back and having fun is at the beach. On any given summer day, there's a good chance that you'll spot some kids running around and splashing through the water, people throwing frisbees back and forth across the sand, and maybe even some hobbyists collecting seashells along the edge of the tide. There's usually all kinds of friendly chaos going on in every direction. So when a man with a drone camera decided to get some footage at a crowded beach in the Bahamas one day, he knew that there was always the potential for him to capture some exciting images. However, after flying his drone out over the top of the crystal blue water, he spotted something that immediately made his heart stop. What's your favorite beach activity? Let us know in the comments section below. And then don't forget to leave us a like and to subscribe for more. Russian cameraman Artem Chichenko is a member of the YouTube community who creates amazing videos capturing the beautiful landscape of the Bahamas. Artem doesn't make his content by setting up a camera on the ground, however. Instead, he normally works with drone cameras, piloting the remote-controlled aircraft high above the terrain in order to get a grand view of the entire area. Although beautiful, Artem's unique videos of the beach hadn't quite attracted a large viewing audience for his channel yet. That is, until he posted a truly heart-racing clip back in December of 2017. This particular video, like so many of his others, took place on one of the over 700 islands that make up the Bahamas region of the Atlantic Ocean. There, on a beach packed with tourists and locals alike, Artem decided to release his drone into the sky just as he'd done so many times before. Artem flew the tiny aircraft high above the crystal blue water and then took a moment to look around for any good photo or video opportunities. The action started when the drone camera picked up the image of a little boy who was running along the shore and out towards the water. Sensing that he might capture something worth filming, Artem panned the drone toward the boy to get a better view of the action. And boy, was he glad he did. When Artem repositioned his camera away from the shore, he suddenly caught the image of a thin shadow that was gliding through the water and heading straight for the little boy. Back on dry land, Artem immediately took a closer look at his live shot from the drone, just to be sure that he was actually seeing what he thought he was. The images on his camera then confirmed his worst fear. The shadow he'd just spotted was that of a fast-moving shark. Even worse, there wasn't just one shark that was rapidly heading towards the boy, but a whole group of them. Artem stared at the image, unfolding on his video screen while standing helplessly on the shore. The little boy, oblivious to the oncoming danger, continued to splash around in the water and even turned his back to the oncoming sharks. It was right about then that Artem's instincts took over, and he knew that he'd only have a matter of seconds if he was going to intervene. Hoping to avoid certain disaster, Artem immediately called out for the boy, waving his hands frantically in an attempt to warn him of the danger that was heading his way. His booming voice cut through all the other noise on the beach, but the boy still took a moment to fully process everything that was going on. By this time, the group of sharks were now swimming within just a few feet of where the boy was playing. One quick lunge and a peaceful day at the beach could have suddenly been turned into a truly horrific scene. The little boy, finally realizing that he was in danger, dove beneath the water and fought to quickly reach the shore nearby. Just as the sharks were closing in, he finally scampered away from the water and jumped onto the safety of the shore. With his feet now safely on dry land, he took one quick look back at the oncoming group of sharks. The creatures continued to circle the area for a moment or two, and then finally retreated back toward the open water. When later asked about the terrifying situation, Artem simply said, "Thank God that he heard me." Without a doubt, this could have ended much differently if the boy wasn't able to hear Artem's frantic warning. However, some people have suggested that Artem's video may not be as sinister as it appears. Critics of the video say that the creatures swimming towards the boy were actually nurse sharks, bottom-dwelling fish who pose virtually no threat to humans at all.